Hello, I'm Libin. I'm gonna do an art activity named Nature Collage. This activity is quite suitable for kids who are aged from 3 to 5 years old. And let me introduce the materials needed. So we need some natural materials such as leaves, flowers, and some twigs and the pine cones. All right, and also we need a construction paper, child scissors, glue, crayons, aprons to wear to protect the clothing. Okay, the activity goal is encouraging creativity and imagination through the explanation of natural materials, cultivate an appreciation for nature and the environment. All right, now let me introduce the procedures. Now, first of all, we need to have children sit around a table and introduce this activity. Let's talk over the importance of nature and explain that they will create an artwork by using natural materials. And then we set up an art area with construction paper, scissors, glue, and something else. We try to organize the collected natural materials on paper trays. All right, now let's get started to create this artwork. Now, first of all, we need to put the glue on the paper, and we can use a finger, yes, to spread the glue on construction paper. Yeah, this way can have children feel the texture of the glue. And in the meantime, teachers can ask them, how do you feel about the glue? All right. And then, yeah, we can have children create the natural materials freely by themselves. All right, they can put the leaves on. Maybe they can design some different patterns like this. Yeah, whatever. They may do it, whatever they want to do. Okay, so some flowers and the twigs. Yes, twigs, flowers, some leaves. Yeah, everything they want. All right. Yeah, and during the process of the artwork, if they need more glue, and they can add something more on the paper. All right, I'm gonna put more leaves over here. It can be overlapped. Yes. Something like this. All right. Yeah, we can do more. Yeah, put more leaves on construction paper. Okay, and yeah, do not forget the tissue paper and keep it handy, and the children can clean their hands after using the glue. And also, after putting some natural materials on construction paper, they can use the crayon to draw something around this and try to make this picture more vivid. Or they may color the paper. Yes, whatever they want. Yeah, try to make this piece of paper look more vivid. All right. Okay, that's all done for this. All right, now remember, after we're doing this art activity, we need to have children express why do you want to make the art like this way. Then we can give them some questions. So this is the reflection. When collages are done, and then children reflect on their creation and ask open-ended questions like, tell me about the materials you need and you used, and what did you enjoy most about making your artwork. Okay, but finally, do not forget to help children clean up their workplace and organize materials. Return something left over to their outdoor environment, so we do not waste those things. All right, that's all for the moment. Thank you so much.